amazina ni banyita Maskodeusi kandi ubinju bakumanya Kazayiredi director wa One Love Entertainment Group ninga chitkweta Olient Music UG umbugufu twineshonga itwija itwaretaha turabantu banjura nza kwashaba nyandu banje nabo babiyanjure bitanchira ariyo
amazina n'umugabe wirba kandi abinji bamanyaka kingo wirizo music twashimirwa abo kwija tukavaringa umukoro gwito gwerizuba abo kitebe kanisa ni umwe Olient Music ni nkoranka Treasure nukoko mwebali.
Amazina ni Pamela Nwagaba ni member wa Olient Music Uganda the General Secretary of Olient Music Uganda and the Publicity Secretary at once. So nashemerwa okuja kutukavaringa because nibinji ekitubatebekanisize omisho mwebali. Nka General Secretary wa Olient Music Uganda tineshonga habwachi twa holdinga this press conference echamani tuli ntolonchinga Western Talent Search Season 1 Olient Music Uganda ekituyon toronda eminyeto eine ebichoncho ninge ine talent omukweshongora omukomedi omukuzana film na nokorobwa MC. So nicho ekitebekanise nka music group company yitu it has been there etwireho tukora byinji twatandika hariye chichonka ni byinji ebitwire ntukora konka mu season 1 turiyo toronda talent search turiyo tuza kutandikira Bwizibwera ebirabiri na bibiri ombamanya memorial hall eritoma no tukuza kutandikira ebirabiri na bishatu ntuza kuba turi Kyeshama omuzebidayo pub no competitions istwasho with the forms weno ine talent ombiyo nebinagamba omukweshongora omukomedi omukuzana film okukora obwa MC form zona ziriyo myanya yanyu aha myanya je yinagamba Kyeshama na rutoma form zezo zona ziriho weno ine talent yabe group numushashire mitware 5 yaba individual na shashire mitware 2 form zezo ziriyo muzifirinje mushashire fi eriho nibaija kubatagurira hakantu enyuma akakanto ine kwijana ko izoba ryenyini erya competition buri competition yon neza kutandika shahina then omwazo nibwo turarangirire abitora ihemu abo kwija a grand final erikuza kubambara. So twenda buri omo wena akwato bwire wafiringire form ejo ahe namba zesumu woyine cyone cyo rukubasa kubuza aha form ejo okibuze otere sumu zone zuruho niba directors ba Olient so tatina kugitera washange metaro no basa kushange ndijo eriho ntuza kutalaga Western Uganda mbara bushenyi za kabwohe za shemazona ntuza kwetororaho banikiruhura oba nibanda hona ntuza kuhikayo tinkwenda ojota bwenchi tubija witu we are starting guma emkutu yono gitire hamatu esha yona noza kumanya izoboro twijo wanyu form zona nzakubaza kiro myanya yanyu kasa twalanga ngo kumwahurira buri mwanya kiturarange no hikaho nofuna form ejo no difiringa kandi otafira izobege ya talent search after the competition omwazon haba halo show akitora betu inabeshongozi binji nkabando kubarabemba bagambera so otamisinga utajoti ni competition niyo nkanyo kunda kubenta kuzam competition tinda tine hinda arebuke hapana omwazo ntaza kuba harusho ekitukuza korangira abarugama bituri ihemu abo kuza a grand final buri omo wone kitora betu etoriro mu Western niho twija holdinga a grand competition omurimbara aha Mayor's Gardens buri omo wena ntakuba ahari kuja kwija abarabe barabirimo then niho turahereze buri kimwe okukyabe kiri aha bwenki ntukora talent search abana bingi bari omuka tubakwebaza kandi biine ebiconco n'emirimo tubagiine konka oshanga aine ekiconco oshanga naza na comedy omusiri na mama waye ninga na biine nyina kandi yakubire nakikoramu a living at the end of the day nka Olient Music Uganda. It is the reason why tugizire ngo reka turonde abana bona oine ekiconco kyeye buruhona oba n'umuguruko oba ninka ijo cyoreke ntija kuba supportinga buri omwe ihemu at least at the end of the day tuba promoting omwana ashye yakubeta atashire omuntu aganyira mu talent no muzire ajatinda zira mwana wanje no yakabata arashomire konka mufunemu ajati na zaneki na yeshongoreki ninga na chone cyari kubasa gukora itwenka Olient Music Uganda to ready ku support because nka technology ko izire we support them in different ways because already nka Olient to in the group abakuzana films bariho abeshongozi bitu bariho we have our own comedians to in dancers so already ntubaza kubanza tuba accommodating Olient as a group kandi tuba supporting okukora n'abandi abahanga buri mu mwana waru kwegomba cyatinturanye niyetaga kweshongorana nanga ninga kuzinira nkahi we are ready to support everyone who is going to be a member of talent search and akaba member wa Olient. Ekindi twenda kumanyisa buri omwe nka Olient Music Uganda turi mbara yonka ninga turi mu Western turo hamwe hona konka this time shazire mu tubaze tufocusinge ahal Western so buri omo wena oine talent nakushaba otajorota otaferwa kandi otaferwa mu kishogo oino mwana we are calling upon all the politicians abazire ba guardians owokora omwana wawe aine kiconco hona musupportinge ronda form eja head agifiringe tari kuyija kwefuza habwenci yagifiringe yaba ine talent tekwa kumukwataho turebe hiyalika. Lastly, I want kugambira abarasinge at the end of the day orasinge competition zona twamara kwetorora hona twagora grand final ituna abajantija kukora aha Mayor's Gardens in Barra City omuntu wokubanza no wakabiri we are ready to do for him or her or that group kubakora video na audio and we are going to accommodate them as members of Olient Music Uganda and we are going to promote them on media. Remember media this time the moment you have media everything is done, so we are ready to do that. Owakasha tunowa akana tuzako bahereza audios free of charge agarike babe members ba Olient Music Uganda to be promoting on media because we are partnering with very many people. So into Manyangu media, the moment we sell them out, at the end of the day, they are going to get something and they are going to earn from their talents. Then habakata mpaka habikumi because other youths think we are going to take one or two. No, we have very many youths. Since Uganda need eminyeto niyo kuchira yobwinji. So wakata nokika wikumi, they are going to be promoted. Music yabo zakuba promoting akantu bafure members ba Olient. So nitwenda buri omo wena ayinyigire utajot kuba land dropping mwenyo nimbana abaferia. No, this search is not stopping, and the moment you fail somewhere we are going to see how we accommodate you somewhere else, but we are not losing at any angle. Lastly, I have to appreciate my co-directors because okwatanisa ngokuba tugambire tokakora wenka tukwatanise. Already we have the sponsors na nishaba other people to talk about the sponsors, at least ababireho nitwe omulyeje.
Okay, ekintu nuko kityo kandi Madam Secretary yabashobora okutura atwaze omu competition zona. So tindi kuzagamba bingi cyangwa munonga, ninza kubanza no kusima ba sponsors bitu bona batusponsoringire omu kintu ekiturumu obwiro obwo abokuba koko yabashobora tubasize kura twenka nangwa nyo ninzagamba munonga abantu abarabe nibataha omu bivuro byitebyo ningachi omu talent search zitweze arho ekintu ekinkuza kwashobora tuza kuba twine abeshongozi bingi munonga abantu ababwizibwera mu Rutoma na nebicoke byehinguririzeho posters mwatangiye kuzireba kandi abeshongoza barya posters ezo ni mubareba kandi abingi mubamanya abantu ba Kyeshama nebicoke byehinguririzo tuza kuba turi Bwizibwera ebiro 23 then tuza kuba turi Rutoma ebiro 22 abantu ba Rutoma Bwizibwera rwanya mahembe nebicoke byehinguririzo umwe na ntubeta akwatantire umurimba district ntuza kuzakiruhura ntuza kuzibanda ntuza kuza Kamwenge Kasese ntuza kuza Kabare ntuza kuzisingiro buri hona hori iyo chikuru gumotegera amatu aha radio na TV nanguna na social media za Facebook buri hamuhona ntuza kwa noreba nturanga ekicoka cyawe ecyo buri muco ntuza kwikaho buri town yuno ya buri yuno ntuza kwikaho tune ba sponsors abatusponsoringiro mu kintu eki tunemu ababa Harmony pot water aga amizi niga kuturabe tutambura nago omuferri omuntu wena urabe nataha omu concert yitu ningashi omu talent search yitu tuza kwantumereza ekipa yaga mizi ya free of charge nkaba sponsor okwa tusponsoringe kugira ngo wazo aboko ebintu biza kutandika kare so toine kubano nanka toine kubano noza mu customer kasamiza byo nitino cyonywire namizi marungi munonga nagamariro ho kangeza n'abatayitsa abantu mwena tubashaba mwije mutuhagire umukintu echo ntuza kwa twinona na akaka soda ntuza kwakahereza abantu bashashora VIP washashora VIP ntuza kwa tukwereza akaka banana Harmony banana juice so umuntu wena urukonda gushashora VIP ntuza kwa tukwereza kantaka era wabarya muryango yakushara ticket mubuze oti ka banana juice kanje karinkai naza kwa nawe kakwereza ibintu stamanako ntuza kwebaza Greater African Radio nankaba nazabo zaha flyers ndumukwani muzireba ntuza kwantambana bo mfirdi abakozi ba Greater African bona mukwani mwenda kureba mukwani muhura namukubari mwenda kureba ntuza kwani mubareba ntuza kwebaza Ankole Media abana bo batire musente kandi nibaza kwa matambano ito mfirdi ntuza kwatura nabo abakushutinga videos na interviews byona ntuza kwantambana nabo ntuza kuba tutambana naba Ematech phones no bat sponsoringire hamwe na Mayor Suits Rutagarama ogumanya go yini ogutwakora mu press conference nabo bat sponsoringire twinabona naba Good Tents bat sponsoringire era nabo ntukubana umuntu kwantambura nabo mfirdi abamwe eturabe tutambura ntuza kuba twine itwenka team Olient Music Uganda nito sponsoringire twino Magic Studio abo nibo ba sponsoringire ekite cykwatagira na audios kubahereza audios nachi then hamwe na Xflix Media abo nabo bashootinga videos so mutakagira ngekinte kituyongu tukuza tukiri serious kandi nabo tukwatanisa nabo nshonga bachote musentezi na no musimbi kugira ngo tube tubasa kutamuzamwe ekintu eki niza kwezo umwana wanje ugisha nawe agira cyo yabashobora udent kwija tukwendera
mwebare ati nyowe ni nyongera kushiga abana bari yokwe nti ubwo mugisha gutakusigaho ahabo kuba nekintu kihano munonga washango ine cyo cyango ekikubasa kwindukira business kandi uriyo mucyaro nobona nacyo kandi okimanye ku rugerizo ngwiwe nkiwe turukubasa wehire hono waba uriyo mu kintu ke cyawe uri ndabo kuba hatwire cyo kunywa no kireba ubwo ni sponsor n'umuntu w'amana ari yaho tuyina ba sponsor njye mu kamerazi tuyine nywa yitukuzamo echo mayisango kiri organized aha musinge muhango kandi kikuza kuyambiwe umuringo gona ahabwe insonga music yawe jine ningana basa kubora dancer konka no itaga kuzanko mu video z'abandi muri arebekere muri akorera kasente nduza kuyamba muri akora ngo wahindura talent yawe nyecha kare yawe ingira ngo biga byanyita byinji ahasigara no kikahi aruna kuronye no kakikaha mwanya kandi ukarebe cyo kwakozere ki cyaro yambe cyo cyawe amagaraga wareke gumenye
okay okongera ryecho tukwendera twatagamba asente ezo muteze yashashara kutahama Antone turatambura hona ordinance kwaziye 15 aha muryango then tukwerizo akacupa kagamizi aka Harmony pot water. Then VIP ni gukwa guri umutwaro. VIP nizikwa shinji umutwaro tukerireho akacupa akakuna kwa tomu ngaraka akaka hamoni banana juice. So akakantuza kwa tukareza aba VIP. So emberani ko kwemerera etyo konka tubashaba kuja mukapagera mukijo mbwinji kandi umuntu wono ine kitone cyawe urukwenda kweshongora gukora buri kimwe cyo nanyabura utukire terese muzitu aho ruhona duza kwa tugambe kugenda misho obweneka audio obweneka yo takatina obano enda kutagura obano enda kuzana obano utakawe cyo ati nacona wiza afomu ezezi byaho oyiye namba zesimu wenda kugira kwenda kumanye kusinga byo twagamba then tushobore mwebare munonga kandi mwebare no kuhagera Olient Music Uganda mwebare kukunda entertainment ya Western
ndikuhendera
akatahendera mu kibuzo awagamba ngo uko banza no wakabiri nibaza ku recording video na audio kandi mu ryeki umwetaga mba MCs na ba comedians bono muzabaje
webare wavuze ikibuzo kirungi yavuza ngo komanza no wa kabiri nibaza kuba tubahereza videos na audios free of charge kandi tuba promotingire mweni yabuza kandi harimo ba comedians bo yabo wo kubanza nitumuhereza ki. First of all, as a comedian, most of the time they don't want the audios or the videos. What we have to do as promotions, because we are encouraging, we are going to support them through promoting them, as giving them big floor empang, not only in Barara, at least Kereya missing a video because takwetaga video. We have our partners in Kampala where we have to take them our floors empang. We have the comedy stores. Abanabana bita bakunuya bokumanya we can talk to them and they give them flow abantu kukubayimba. We bari no. Na yetubuze ki.
So nanye nekibuzo mwagira ngo ngendo kubanza wa kabiri what do you consider? Nimu considering kugira ngo ogwe yasinga mutahiwe ninga shugo yasinga mutahiwe.
Wow. Thank you. Wabuze kibuzo kirungi. In music, the moment you go on stage, whatever you present, because we have different talents, the moment, if it is a comedian, we know what is composed to be a good comedian, or having a talent to be. When you are a dancer, the moment, whether it's Nyankore or Chichiga, the moment you go on a dance, we know it's Nyankore is supposed to be Chichita, Ninge Chiga Chichita. When you go to music, Buyoma inokwa kweshongwa. Buyoma in the style yo kweshongwa. And we know all the styles, what compromise or what should be a good rapper, nana rapping ngachi, ninga or wasoro nana ishongwa. Konka there is no specific wokugira ngu ngora kore iraka ringwa ninge riche is the one whom we are taking. Thank you.
Okonyera cha mutahi wanje ntuza kwa twine ba judges abakugu omuchinte chikwatagena music nti wena hurenye shongora yawe ahurebezina yawe ahuresenge entwaza ibigambo buri kimwe cyo no kubikora akujya ati no ahawagwa nengo ikire so ntuza kwa twine ba judges abamokurga Kampala na nabito muri Mbara even na nombichwe kabyanyu tuza kwa nturondo yo ba judges abarunji munonga kana bakumanya cyo gukora ki abakumanya cyo gukora so utaka kujota inyoni baza kumanya batangu nasinga noza kwa no singa okurugirira ba judges abarakusharemu eki barabe ni bakushobora
nekindi talent season muza kwa ni muzironda kurugirira aha myaka iri kwingana kibikozi wagira ngo muza kugendera use omwana muto wayaje ni talent can't you accept that person?
Wow, thank you. We've used the word youth, but everyone, because even our forms, we have indicated the moment you're below 18, you can come with your parent. Because to Reberabana, even they are even below 5, they can sing, they can do anything, they can act. The moment someone is below 18 years, he's supposed to come with a parent or a guardian. Then above 18, everyone is okay to be in a competition.
Okay, nekindi. A form ziriyaho honka mukuza kuba muteke bivuru ninga hine na hati yobo bwiri umuntu numba wasa kuma allocating amuje nguza hantu aho iho form.
Wow. as per now, as we are talking, emyanya ejesha itukuza kuba turiho as per now forms niho ziri, but from today onwards zakuba distributed omu contact persons emyanya ebi. The moment you call anywhere you see any number, you just call say kaninyenda form, and then you are going to have it. Konkas pa now ziriya hamyanya eitukuza kuba turi. Webari.
Aroni je n'ikibuzo.
Ikindi kibuzo cyagaruka forms kuba kushanga umwana byo nari kubikora akintu cya stage aho.
Byona ari kubikora.
Byona ari kubikora.
Byona yana abasa gukora byona. One chooses one where he feels is best. Byona nono bikora konka hecho kweka kasa humunonga. So you can perform that one what you feel that you can do best. After all, it is a competition. There is someone who is going to lose, so you cannot perform something you are not good at.
Ikindi kibuzo umwana kwiya kurugo umwanya gumwamurimo yaremerwe so akazo mu nijo agara kandi kisahandi ahande kari akazo umwanya gundi akihandi kisantikizwa ninga na yaremerwe.
It is okay because we are in competitions. Kere yabere handi chise chiruhura, maybe he didn't go through, but he bought a second form. He was going to still go in a competition since he paid for that form. He's going to compete with those people there. You never know and the adjudicators or the judges, but even go are competing and no, he can be among the few numbers to come on the grand final.
Ikindi kibuza abarabe batarabiremo muza kubatwariza mutani mwamwe abari kura ninga muza kujya support y'abarwaje.
Teriyo ejo support teri.
Omwana wabotarabiremo
Nakugaruka season ya kabiri.
Chance eruho tuza kwantwineho ati season 1 genda okole practice. Genda o practicing ogende ozombivure bindira abandi abantu kuba kweshongora. Genda wo reba music nibajandika bata nibazina bata nankana ishongora ata nankuwe kugomba wona chikola ata then chize chikhereze chance eyo garuka omundijo competition eziturabe twalesere. So ntwatu ne season 1 season 2 nanuzinezo kwenjera higuru wotarabero mu season 1 tokamanya mu season 2 nibasakura bamwe. Yes.
So which means ntiza kuba kiro annual.
Yes, ntiza kuba kiro kirarijeho.
Hey.
Yeah.
Okay.
Wow. Finally, mbazo kusima mwena bija tukwata on this press conference. I call upon all politicians, parents, n'abana bona bakubasa, come join this, come in this competition. You're not going to regret why you came in this competition. I wish you the best with it.
Okay, na indukhendera ninyihanangiriza abebembezi mwena abaryombicho kabyokwe. Ababana nibasakwa batene sete zo gura forms ezo. Konka mu bakwatereho abana mu bayambe buriyane cyakubasa ayambe mutayiweye to making sure kugira ngo talents zatamburaje munonga. So na nekindi achieve concert yitu eri kubanza
and perform stronger that you have that talent. Yes. So ntutandika shahina abokuzo mu competition, then in the evening muhabe shongozi baraza ha stage. It is when we are going to announce abargamu abokija kuza mbaza grand final in the evening. Konkom kasheshe no competitions. Then in the evening from 4-5 emiryango ne yigura kushashura tukaza umukutera dance hotarafune na recognition zone z'abantu abararabemo abarembija ha grand final kurga hamwanyu.
Akinangiza kubuza ahizobe ryo byenyine mwatandikire mpaka mujyagumane muhandika ninge mpaka kuza kutandika mu stoppinga
omukichweke echo kichweka ekitukuba turumu twayiza kuranga tukayiza kurejesho ntuba twaheza niwano garuka ondijo konka okutandika na hati fomu zono jiza mpaka ayizoba ryenyine ya talent show era ikiri bari munonga. So everybody, bye bye.